If your BMW X1 is refusing to connect to Apple CarPlay, don't worry, it's usually just a simple software handshake error. Nearly 85% of CarPlay connection issues are resolved by clearing the existing cache between your phone and the iDrive system. Let's walk through the steps to reset your connection properly. Follow this three-step process to wipe the stale connection data and force a fresh handshake. If it still won't connect, check these common settings on your iPhone that often get toggled off by mistake. Remember that wireless CarPlay requires both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to be active on your phone at all times. Most issues are software-based, but if you've tried everything and it still fails, it might be a hardware component issue. As you can see, a hard reset of the iDrive system is the most effective way to restore your connection. Once the system reboots, follow these final steps to repair your iPhone as a brand new device. Keep a high-quality cable handy just in case you need to perform a wired initialization for the first sync. Be patient during the reset process, as the system needs time to fully clear its internal cache. If this helped you get back on the road, leave a comment below and subscribe for more BMW X1 troubleshooting tips.